हेलो एभ्रिवान, आज चाहिँ मसँग छ डल कार। यस्तो रोबोटिक डल कार हो जुन चाहिँ मैले जता भन्छु यो डल कारको टाउको त्यति फर्काएर हिँड्ने गर्छ र यो रिमोट कन्ट्रोल कार हो। यो गुडिया चाहिँ म जता भन्छु त्यति आफ्नो टाउको फर्काएर जाने गर्छ र यदि पछाडि फर्कियो भने पछाडि टाउको फर्काउँछ, अगाडि फर्कियो भने अगाडि टाउको फर्काउँछ। सो कसरी यस्तो रिमोट कार बनाउने भन्ने बारेमा मैले भिडियोमा फुल्ली बताएको छु। यो भिडियो चाहिँ सुरुदेखि अन्तिमसम्म हेर्नु होला। सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस भिडियो। For this project, we need an Arduino Nano. This is connected in a breadboard. Then we need a gear motor, including the tires on it. This is a gear motor with the tires. We need the back tires. We need a servo motor. We need battery of power around 7 volt. We need some jumper wires for it. The doll with a cute head. This I will use to support this everything here. And to control with a remote, we have a remote controller and receiver. Both we have here. So these all stuff we will use to do this project. Now let's place the motor in this holder. Now let's place the doll in this servo motor. So as you can see, I have pasted the doll and the servo motor together. Now I am going to paste the battery holder, including the battery. Now I am going to paste the head of this doll in the chassis of this car. So I am going to put the glue here. As you have seen, I have pasted the head of the doll. Now I am going to connect this Arduino Nano in the board, so I have to put the paste here. Now I am on the process of pasting the remote controller also here on the chassis, that's why. Now let's upload the code at first in the Arduino Nano. So I am going to upload the code here. Now I have a LDR here. Now I am going to connect this LDR on this Arduino Nano. As you have seen here, I have connected one LED and one LDR. So whenever the car moves front side, the LED glow due to the dynamo of the motor, and when the LED glow, the LDR get the sense, and the LDR suggests for the Arduino to move the servo motor 180 degree front side. So the doll moves the head, and when the car moves back side, then the bulb do not glow. It means the LDR do not get any sense. Now the LDR suggests for the Arduino to move backside in its on position. So in such a way, when the car moves front side, the head of the doll rotate 180 degree, and when the car moves backside, the head of the doll rotate minus 180 degree or 0 degree. So in such a way, this mechanism works.